In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on JD.com stock. My dear friends, this stock has currently broken out from an important support level, and along with that there are multiple negative factors which has already been materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock. We can initiate a short sell position before a massive downside correction get trigger. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was an bottom where the stock has given the upside bounce in the form of upward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was under this upward sloping parallel channel, the stock was under the constant higher highs sequence. If you'll see over here, the first higher rise registered over here, the second higher rise over here, and the third higher rise, yes. But as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside, first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows, and this is a point where the game started to change. This is an area where we got a two major negative signal. My dear friends, the very first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside, and the second one is higher highs shifted to lower lows. Whenever higher highs get shifted to lower lows, we take that as a confirmation that stock has started the correction. The stock enter officially into the correction, and we have to avoid buying, and in fact we can initiate a short sell position to grab the downside opportunity. And my dear friends, now we will see the diversion. If we'll put the MACD or RSI, you will be able to identify the negative diversion over here. My dear friends, if you'll see over here, if you'll notice over here, the price actions had given there is a higher swing between the price, but same there is a lower swing in the oscillation, and this is an area where we got a breakdown, and it's going to pump the downside momentum. And finally, my dear friends, we will discuss about the fourth major negative signal, and that will be a chart pattern. If you'll see over here, this is a cup and handle, bearish cup and handle pattern, which is already trigger. This was a neckline. The first line was a neckline, and the second line was a support line. Even neckline and support line, both of them got broken down. So now this pattern got active, this pattern got trigger, and now very soon you will witness the first target will be $27, which we will mark in green color, and the second target will be $25, my dear friends. And also make sure that stock has given the stock is falling continuously from this level until here, so there is a probability that stock may give you a bounce back, but don't treat that bounce as an buying opportunity, because that bounce, it will be an opportunity to short sell. Even if you'll get a bounce over here, it may come back to retest the neckline, and then again it may comes down. So if you'll find the stock is giving you the bounce back, use that bounce as a short selling opportunity to ride the journey downside. And my dear friends, this area of the neckline, now it will act as a strong resistance. Earlier it was a strong support, but now it has turned into a strong resistance because multiple negative factors got action over here. This was an area where we have seen the upward parallel channel got trigger on the downside. This was an area where we have identified higher highs shifted to lower lows. This was an area where we have seen the negative diversion between the price action and MACD oscillation, and this was an area where we have identified the negative chart pattern, and that is a bearish cup and handle pattern. So with due respect to all these negative breakdowns, stock is going to resume the downside momentum. There is a high probability that stock will hit the downside target, and we can grab the opportunity by shorting this stock. And my dear friends, this is it for today's analysis. If you really like my analysis, if you really like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks. Bye bye.